Roadrunner. And then this is a 71 Chevelle. Pull the bodies off the frame. Did new door panels, carpet. Then we spray the trunks with that, forgot what it's called.
Yeah, the paint.
Yeah.
The matching paint. That's the best.
Yeah.
When you do
Yeah.
that.
Did the same thing with this
66
one.
Malibu.
Yeah. And then this one, we're fabricating a tilt on it.
This 69 Roadrunner. Beautiful. Beautiful cars.
Yeah, they are.
We just delivered this 70 Coronet. $440. And there we got the bad boy right here. 70 Roadrunner. Bench seat car. 383. Look at that, BB.
That's a 69 Coronet.
440. A lot of Coronets were 440s.
This is the color we're gonna paint this car. We're doing all the jams right now.
Oh, I love that green.
Yeah.
They look good on the Chargers.
It's
But these
original
ones.
color.
So what do we got here?
Belvedere? Can't pronounce it.
Oh, the Belvedere?
Yeah.
So it's a 70 Belvedere.
70, yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful. Dog dish. I like them rims. The rallies.
Tries to keep them original.